There are so many micro solutions out there, and it can be overwhelming to small businesses, and so many of these solutions don't connect to each other. I'm happy that our organization can provide a solution to businesses that help them succeed. Personiv to me is more than a cost reduction strategy. They bring value to our relationship through continuous improvement and new ideas. Personiv measures everything and honors commitments to achieve a set of acceptable standards within a time frame we agree upon. Personiv has multiple locations with different expertise, so we can select the right solution in the right location. Personiv invests heavily in human talent and offers us the scalability we need for our growing Thryv business. We have approximately 300 members. In Coimbatore, they provide us data entry services and order entry. In Delhi, they provide us Thryv support services, and in the Philippines, they provide us design services on social media and website. We share some core principles: open and honest communication. We believe in giving back to our local community. And lastly, we celebrate our joint success together. Companies should partner with Personiv because they're experienced BPO providers. They'll invest in making sure that the program is successful. They have a talented management team assigned to each project. They're an extension of your team and have quality people. We care about our clients and our people, and Personiv, as well as ourselves, believe that there's always opportunity for improvement. My name is Rosemary, and I am Personiv proud.